Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Nature's Blend is probably one of the most talked about dog foods on the market, and for good reason. With so many options available, finding the right food for your furry friend can feel overwhelming. But today, we're diving deep into Dr. Marty's Nature's Blend, exploring its ingredients, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype. Let's find out if this is the perfect meal for your beloved companion. Number 5. Instinct Raw Boost Mixers, Cage-Free Chicken. Introducing Instinct Raw Boost Mixers, a freeze-dried dog food topper. It's made with cage-free chicken, fruits, and vegetables. This provides wholesome nutrition for your beloved pet. These gently freeze-dried raw ingredients lock in nutrients and flavor. This supports digestion, skin and coat health, energy levels, and overall vitality. Your dog will thank you for it. Perfect as a food topper or a treat, it adds irresistible flavor and texture. It's a great way to add variety to your dog's daily routine. Even the pickiest eaters will love it. It's made with real meat and non-GMO vegetables and fruits. It's free from grain, potato, corn, wheat, soy, byproduct meal, artificial colors, and preservatives. You can feel good about what you're feeding them. Made in the USA with the finest ingredients from around the world. This ensures a wholesome and complete diet for your dog. Give them the best with this product. What we like. This dog food topper features raw, cage-free chicken, providing wholesome nutrition for your dog. Its freeze-dried raw ingredients lock in nutrients and flavor, supporting digestion and overall vitality. If you have a picky eater, this topper is perfect for adding irresistible flavor and variety to their meals. What people say. Excellent for senior dog. Soft, chewy, and healthy 2 calories pellet. Excellent training treats. Our GSDs love them. Small enough for pouch or pocket. No additives, which is great. Number 4. Purina Pro Plan Sensitive Skin and Stomach Dog Food. This formula features oatmeal, which is easy to digest and gentle on your dog's stomach. It helps to ensure that your dog can comfortably absorb the nutrients they need. The recipe includes a high-protein formula, with real salmon as the primary ingredient. This provides a great taste that dogs love, and supports their overall health. It's fortified with guaranteed live probiotics. These probiotics actively support digestive and immune health, helping your dog feel their best. This product was previously known as Focus Sensitive Skin and Stomach Salmon and Rice Formula. It's the same great formula, now with a new name. The formula includes sunflower oil, which is rich in omega-6 fatty acids. This helps to promote healthy skin and a shiny coat, keeping them looking and feeling great. What we like. This dog food features a high-protein formula with real salmon as the first ingredient, and is gentle on digestion. It is also fortified with probiotics and omega-6 fatty acids for healthy skin and coat. If you are looking for a dog food that supports digestive health and promotes a healthy coat, this might be the right choice. What people say. My dogs love it and eat every bite. My dogs have been doing great on this food. Their coats are shiny and they have more energy. Number 3. Stella and CHEWY'S Beef Recipe Dinner Patties. Is your dog a picky eater? This food consistently entices even the most finicky dogs. It delivers an irresistible taste that transforms mealtime for selective dogs. This product is perfect as complete meals, food toppers, or training treats. It's ideal for puppies and adult dogs. You can serve it dry or rehydrated with water. It features premium freeze-dried raw nutrition with a whole prey approach. This delivers muscle-building protein and enhances digestibility. It also provides natural nutrients that support coat, skin, and overall health. This food provides a complete and balanced diet for puppies and adult dogs. It includes probiotics for digestive health and omega fatty acids for skin and coat. It's also free from grains, gluten, fillers, and artificial preservatives. It's made in the USA with responsibly sourced ingredients. The production is small batch, using 100% organic fruits and vegetables. Thousands of pet parents trust this product. What we like. This freeze-dried raw dinner patties is exceptional for picky eaters, enticing even the most finicky dogs. It offers versatile serving options, perfect as complete meals or toppers. If your dog is a picky eater, you should consider this, as it transforms mealtime for selective dogs with its irresistible taste. What people say. My dogs are doing so much better since switching to this food. Their coats are so shiny and they have more energy. My dogs love the food. Number 2. Dr. Harvey's Canine Health Miracle Dog Food. This Canine Health Base Mix helps you create balanced, homemade meals for your dog. Feeding this whole food diet may improve digestion and increase energy. It can also help with itchy skin. This mix is packed with real whole foods, including dehydrated vegetables and organic grains. There are no fillers or synthetic ingredients. It's all about providing the best for your furry friend. It's easy to prepare. Just add hot water, wait a few minutes, and then add your dog's favorite protein and a healthy oil. It's a quick and simple way to provide a nutritious meal. With this base mix, you control the quality and quantity of the meat your dog eats. If you prefer a complete meal, there are other options available. This gives you flexibility in feeding your dog. This 5-pound bag makes a lot of meals when combined with protein. The guaranteed analysis shows the nutritional value. It's a great value for your money. What we like. This dog food is a human-grade dehydrated base mix, offering a whole food alternative to kibble. It is packed with real whole foods and ready in minutes. If you like having control over the ingredients and want to create balanced, homemade meals for your dog, this is a great option. What people say. My dogs are doing great on this food, their coats are shiny and they have more energy. My dogs love the food and eat it right up. The food has helped with their digestion. Number 1. Nature's Blend Dr. Marty's Dog Food 16 ounces. This dog food is packed with a variety of meats, fish, and fruits. It provides balanced nutrition for your dog. The gentle freeze-drying process locks in all the flavor and nutrients. This ensures the food stays fresh for your dog. It's made with all natural ingredients and is free from chemicals and fillers. This helps to provide a healthier diet for your dog. This food is formulated to meet the nutritional needs of dogs of all breeds and health conditions. It provides everything they need to thrive. You can store it in a cool, dry place for long-lasting freshness. This makes it easy to keep on hand for your dog. What we like. This dog food features a nutrient-rich formula packed with a variety of meats, fish, and fruits. It is freeze-dried to lock in flavor and nutrients, and made with all natural ingredients. If you like a complete and balanced diet for your dog, you should consider this. What people say. My very picky older spoiled 12 pounds dog seems to only like rotisserie chicken and ribeye steaks. But he likes this dog food. My dog loves it. Excellent dog food with all ingredients pronounceable. We introduced it to our 8-year-old Chihuahua that eats raw, exclusively. We thought she might be a bit resistant to it because of the texture, so we introduced it as a treat, first. Need not have worried. She accepted it readily. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.